Hi folks, I just returned from Oshkosh, Wisconsin, where I met up with Gary Schmitt, one of the co-owners of Just Aircraft. And I asked Gary this question: how difficult is it for a certified pilot to transition to a Just Aircraft SuperSTOL? Gary said it's not that difficult. So I set my cameras up in Gary's SuperSTOL to shoot some footage. Come along with me after my intro, and let's see just how difficult it really is. This is Wayne Whitley. I'm a retired computer design engineer, and now I create adventure videos for fun. Come along with me and enjoy this Whitley Videos adventure.
This is Joanna Justice flying the SuperSTOL, and I'm Gary Schmitt, and she's taking me for a ride.
I don't know about that.
Gotta stay on this side of the road.
I know.
Okay. Looked like the wind had calmed down quite a bit.
It did. Just all of a sudden quit.
You can fly with not your flaps on if you
I
want.
was kind of thinking about that. That guy's really slow.
Now, just like we did this morning, when you get to that house, you turn that way.
Can't really see the house.
Just turn the airplane a little bit. Flip it this way.
Oh.
Now you can see it, right?
Oh. Okay.
Okay, you don't want to gain on him, so you want to slow down a little bit. Now, if any time you can't see nothing, you can always push the nose over, right?
Yeah.
So you can see.
I can see him fine.
Okay.
And where was it you turned here? Was it this
Go
row or that row?
Just where the trees end and that dirt field starts over here.
Oh, okay. Wants you to fly
Okay.
over here?
I want you to fly on that side, not over that house. And not over the airplanes. Now he's slowing way down. Go ahead and put all your flaps in. I wouldn't worry about landing real short.
Yeah, I'm not either.
Okay, looks like you got it.
Sweet.
And you want to get off the runway as quick as you can. Tiny little bit of power. Okay, now pull it off. Okay. And I'll unlock the tail. Go ahead. Very good. Okay, what Joanna's going to do now
I don't know.
is put 2 notches of flaps in. I tell her to go, she's going to go around the turn, and I'll lock the tail wheel for her. We'll take off with 2 notches of flaps, like she did last time. He wants you to stop when you turn. Ready to fly.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Good job.
Zulu, weather. Wind 330 at Niner, visibility 10. Sky conditions clear, temperature 25, 3.12, altimeter 3008. RNAV and VFR
3008.
27 approach in use. VFR arrival procedures in effect. Runway 27 and runway 36 left and right in use. Pages 8 or 11 in the NOTAM. Monitor Oshkosh approach control frequency 1.
Okay.
Oh, we're right on altitude then.
Gonna gain on him.
Why is he flying so slow?
Because he can.
I could fly slower.
You're gonna have to. Got a little prop blast there, didn't you?
I did.
Looks like he's gonna do a go-around.
Oh. I'm not.
Don't have to.
Nope.
Okay, now Joanna's got the slats out. She's gonna slow the airplane way down and land it nose high. Little power. Back off the power. There you go. That was a good landing.
I'll smack that one down. For some reason I pulled the power back out instead of adding it. I knew it was coming down a little too fast.
So, did the opposite
Yes,
thing
I did.
you
I
wanted.
was thinking the other way.
Okay, now Joanna's going to do another SuperSTOL takeoff.
Uh-oh.
Bump the tail
I hit
wheel. Okay, as you get more used to the airplane, you probably want to leave a notch. You're going to gain on him.
Think I should leave a notch in?
Yeah, you might want to do that. As you get used to the airplane,
Oh.
you could touch your brakes as you're initially starting to roll out, so your tail will come up easier. Sooner.
Oh.
And then when the tail's up, it'll be ready to fly in just a second, you know. So you you can pull the stick back.
Oh. Think he messed
You're
up.
turning a little soon.
Am I?
Yeah.
I thought you weren't supposed to fly over it.
You're not supposed to fly over it. But when somebody is low in front of me, I try and make as big a pattern as I can.
Have to remember to land after the displaced threshold or I'll get you chewed out.
Oh, don't get me chewed out. Tiny little bit of power. Back off, okay. Very good.
Should have I added a little more power? Or is that fine? Last one.
Did, but
Right before I touched.
yeah, you did it just a tiny bit too late, and then after we touched, you didn't pull your power out.
Oh.
I would have added a little power.
Ultralight aircraft, the ultralight field. Just a reminder, everybody on the ground by 25 after.
What I was starting to say is, give it a little power a little bit sooner, and then before you even touch the ground, pull your power back.
Oh.
That helps get your nose up, so you can land tail first.
Okay.
It's ready to fly.
Doesn't seem like it.
You gotta bring the stick back a little bit slower.
Okay.
Okay?
I think we're the last one up here.
I think you are the only one up here. You can cut the pattern short if you want.
Why should I do that?
I know, you can stay up here longer.
Yeah. Where should I shut it down at?
Shut it down at the upper...
Where we did before?
No. Let's park on the opposite side of the runway, and I'll talk to the guy about leaving it there overnight.
Oh, okay.
So, above the... Don't blow the tents away again, but maybe up above the tents. Land a little further down. Don't blow those parachutes. Okay, back off your power. Very good, very good. We just want to taxi all the way there.
All the way down?
Yeah.
Should I just park between them tents?
Keep going.
Go this way if you want.
Yeah. That way you don't blow all those people away. Okay. And we'll pull it backwards by hand.
We can just take the cameras loose and take them, and he can turn them off at the boot. Right? There he is. Why didn't you come get the cameras?
Well, I didn't see you, so I... Thank you very much.
They made us quit.
Yes. Oh, hi, Mom.
Still up. Still up.
Okay, well, that'll be the blooper footage. Perfect. Thank you so much.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and share this video with your friends. As always, I welcome your comments. Until next time, take care